On May 23, 2022, Governor Jared Polis signed a new law, Senate Bill 22-233. This law will give Coloradans a tax rebate of $750 for individual filers and $1,500 for joint filers. This law will provide immediate relief to Coloradans by sending you a refund check sooner. To receive the Colorado cash back, you must be at least 18 years of age on or before December 31st, 2021, a Colorado resident for the entire income tax year, and file a Colorado state income tax return for the 2021 tax year. If you've already filed your Colorado state income tax return, you're all set. Don't miss out. If you have made $0 in income, you are still eligible. To receive your Colorado cashback check, you must file a return, even if your income is $0. You can do this by using the Colorado Income Tax Return Form, DR0104. You can find this form on our website at Tax.Colorado.gov. You must file by October 17, 2022. You'll then receive the Colorado cashback refund by January 31st, 2023. The Colorado Department of Revenue is working hard to make sure that you get your tax rebate as soon as possible. For more information, visit our website at Tax.Colorado.gov /cash-back.